There is an insect with a sting so painful, victims compare it to being shot with a gun. It rules the jungle floor and demands respect from every creature that crosses its path. Today, we are counting down 20 mind-blowing facts about the bullet ant. By the end, you will understand exactly why this tiny creature commands so much fear and fascination. Welcome to Amazing Small Animal Facts, the channel where we uncover unbelievable facts about the world's tiniest creatures. If you love the planet's strangest and toughest microbeasts, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Let's get right into it. Number 20. The bullet ant gets its famous name from the intense, burning agony of its sting. Those unfortunate enough to have experienced it described the pain as identical to being shot with a gun. Its scientific name is Paraponera clavata, which roughly translates to an ant that causes immense pain to anyone who disturbs it. Number 19. You will not find these ants just anywhere in the world. They are native to the humid, lowland rainforests of Central and South America. If you are trekking through the deep jungles of countries like Nicaragua, Honduras, Costa Rica, or Brazil, you are walking right through their primary natural habitat. Number 18. They are true giants in the world of ants. A worker bullet ant can easily grow up to 1.2 inches long, which is roughly the size of a standard metal paperclip. They are robust, wingless, and covered in dark reddish-black exoskeletons that make them look like tiny armored tanks patrolling the jungle floor. Number 17. Bullet ants prefer to build their colonies at the base of large, towering rainforest trees. They construct sprawling underground networks of tunnels and chambers among the deep roots. A single colony usually contains several hundred worker ants, which is a rather small number, compared to other ant species that boast populations in the millions. Number 16. When it comes to their life expectancy, bullet ants follow a specific cycle. In the wild, worker bullet ants generally live for about 90 days once they reach full adulthood. The colony's queen, however, can survive for many years, constantly laying eggs to ensure the colony thrives season after season. Number 15. Despite their terrifying and aggressive reputation, they are not strictly meat eaters. Bullet ants are omnivores that spend hours foraging in the forest canopy for plant nectar and sweet tree sap. They also hunt down small arthropods, bringing the captured insect prey back to the nest to feed their hungry, growing larvae. Number 14. When it is time to find food, these ants prove to be highly skilled climbers. They travel high up into the rainforest canopy, navigating the complex maze of branches and vines with total ease. They use specific chemical trails to guide their fellow workers to food sources, ensuring the entire colony works together efficiently. Number 13. The sting of a bullet ant is legendary within the global scientific community. Entomologist Justin Schmidt created a famous pain scale for insect stings, and the bullet ant sits firmly at the very top. It holds the number 1 spot over every other insect, earning a maximum 4.0 plus rating for pure, unadulterated pain. Number 12. The biological secret behind this intense pain is a powerful neurotoxin called poneratoxin. When the ant strikes, it injects this venom directly into the victim's nervous system. The toxin causes severe muscle contractions, a deep burning sensation, and completely overloads the pain receptors in the affected area. Number 11. The agony delivered by this venom does not fade away quickly. While a normal bee sting might hurt for a few minutes, the pain from a bullet ant will consistently last for a full 24 hours. Many local indigenous populations refer to it as the 24-hour ant, because the throbbing pain truly persists for an entire day and night. We are officially down to the top 10. But first, a quick shout-out. This video is brought to you by PRD. Our mission is simple: to encourage more people to respect, protect, and care for animals everywhere, from wildlife around the world to our family pets. Check out the store link in the description. Now, back to the top 10. Number 10. They do not usually launch an attack without a valid reason. Before a bullet ant stings, it will often issue a clear physical warning to back off. They release a strong, unpleasant odor to deter predators, and will loudly hiss by rubbing their body parts together, a defensive process known as stridulation. Number 9. When a bullet ant finally decides to strike, it uses a highly effective two-part attack. First, it bites down hard with its large, powerful mandibles to secure a firm grip on the victim's skin. Then, it curls its abdomen underneath its body and drives its long stinger deep into the flesh to deliver the venom. Number 8. Bullet ants have developed a clever way to stay hydrated in the dense, warm jungle environment. Workers are frequently observed carrying large droplets of water held securely in their mandibles. They transport this water all the way back down to the nest to keep the colony and the developing larvae cool and moist. Number 7. Even with their powerful venom and painful sting, bullet ants are not entirely invincible. Certain specialized predators have figured out how to bypass their defenses. Small species of glass frogs and specific parasitic flies actively hunt bullet ants, avoiding the stinger and turning the fearsome insect into a quick meal. And number 6. The bullet ant plays a major, highly respected role in human culture, specifically for the Sateré-Mawé tribe of Brazil. They use these specific ants in a traditional, rigorous coming-of-age ritual for young men. The boys must wear gloves filled with angry bullet ants for several minutes to prove their courage and readiness for adulthood. Number 5. To prepare for this serious ritual, the tribe members temporarily sedate the collected ants using a natural herbal mixture. They weave the sleeping ants into gloves made of leaves, ensuring the stingers are pointing directly inward. When the ants wake up, they are trapped, agitated, and ready to defend themselves against the wearer's hands. Number 4. Scientists are actively studying the poneratoxin found inside bullet ant venom. While it causes immense pain, researchers believe the unique way it interacts with the human nervous system could lead to major medical breakthroughs. They are exploring its potential use in developing new painkillers and treatments for muscular disorders. Number 3. If an animal or human disturbs the nest, the entire colony responds with immediate, organized aggression. Hundreds of angry worker ants will swarm out of the entrance, ready to sting anything that moves nearby. Their collective defense strategy ensures that very few animals ever dare to dig up a bullet ant nest. Number 2. Their bodies are perfectly built for daily survival on the rough, uneven forest floor. They possess specialized, sticky pads on their feet that allow them to climb smooth leaves and wet bark without slipping. This powerful grip is absolutely essential when they are carrying food that is much heavier than their own body weight. Number 1. The number one most extraordinary fact about the bullet ant is how perfectly it has adapted to its harsh environment. Without needing large population numbers or complex societies, its sheer defensive power has allowed it to thrive unchanged in the jungle for millions of years. It remains the undisputed king of the insect world. From delivering the most painful sting on Earth to inspiring medical research, the bullet ant proves that true power comes in small packages. If this mind-blowing creature impressed you, hit that subscribe button. Every week, we uncover another incredible small animal doing something extraordinary. Thank you for watching until the end.